Hello everyone, welcome to this training session on statistical data analysis using SPSS. My name is Vamsidhar, and as a part of this session I would be covering through the analysis of covariance. What is this analysis of covariance? We have already looked at analysis of variance, one factor as well as two factors in our earlier models, where our intention was comparison of the means across the multiple groups of data, where the groups are formed either based on one factor in case of one way ANOVA, or the groups are formed on two factors, which is a two factor ANOVA. Here this ANCOVA model is a slight extension to a one way ANOVA model. It actually blends ANOVA as well as regression. Why we are talking about that is it actually evaluates about the population means itself, the means of a variable. So means of a variable, the same thing we have done in ANOVA analysis also. I am comparing the means of a variable across one categorical variable. Until here it is one way ANOVA across one categorical variable. Here what we are saying is we are statistically controlling the effect of other continuous variables. So probably some other scale variables, assuming the other scale variables are constant. So here it is like assuming other scale variables are constant across the various values of the factors. This is the most important thing as a part of the ANCOVA analysis. So what does let's take up our case question. Check for the uniformity in the cholesterol levels across the various smoking statuses. If I look at question only up to here, this is nothing but it is your one way ANOVA analysis. But see, the cholesterol levels could be different across various smoking statuses because the weights are different across the various smoking statuses. If that is the case, then probably the cholesterol levels are not based on the smoking status, but because they are based on the weight. So what we are doing as a part of this ANCOVA analysis is assuming that the distribution of the weights is more or less uniform across the various smoking statuses. What is the uniformity in the means of the cholesterol levels? If I look at it in isolation, I don't know whether the impact is impact in the changes in the cholesterol levels is because of a smoking status or is it because of weight. So that is where what we are saying is we are trying to compare the means of the cholesterol levels across the various smoking statuses, controlling for the differences in case of weights. So here this is the important aspect coming up. The most important thing before we execute the ANCOVA analysis is there should not be any kind of a significant interaction effect existing between the covariate and the factor. No significant interaction effect between the covariate and the factor. That is one thing I have to be comfortable with. So that I have to check out. Right, now we'll look at our data. We'll try to model this requirement, checking for the uniformity in the cholesterol levels across the various smoking statuses, controlling for the change in the weights. Let's go back to our data for that. Right.